Lighting can play a big role in the placement of plants for our interiors, but there is exception. Few indoor plants are very adaptable to low light conditions. When people says low light, it means not exactly zero lighting, it means indoor areas where there is not direct sunlight, not bright indirect sunlight to plants. In other way we could say, areas which are far away from window or places that receive no natural light are called low light conditions. Let's explore top 12 indoor plants that are easy to adaptable to low light indoor conditions. Peace lily, one of the most popular houseplant for the benefits it provide. Peace lily is very attractive indoor plant with nice glassy green foliage and white blooms. It tolerates various lighting conditions. It is one such plant. It can absorb harmful toxins from the air very effectively and keep its presence in the surrounding air in control. ZZ plant, short for Zamioculcas zamifolia, is known for its ability to survive in low light conditions. Beautiful foliage with arching branches on thick stems, it may irritate to pets. Keep this plant out of your pet's reach. Less watering works fine for ZZ plant, remember. For new growth, it will need some bright, indirect light. Chinese Evergreen-Silver Queen, a very attractive indoor plant with beautiful silvery foliage with green marbling. Chinese Evergreen-Silver Queen is a slow-growing subtropical foliage plant. It tolerates low light conditions. This plant thrives in moist, but not waterlogged soil. There are several popular Chinese evergreens such as Silver Bay, Frasher, Maria are few. Its variegated color, large glossy narrow oval leaves, perfect for low-light indoor areas. Spider plant, one of the most popular houseplant, for its low maintenance, easy to grow nature with other benefits. Spider plant helps in cleaning indoor air by remove air pollutants and it is non-toxic and safe for kids and pets. It is compact indoor plant with green foliage with striped borders, and best fit for tabletops and desktop areas, looks even better when it hangs in indoors. Bromeliads, another attractive and compact indoor plant with very splashy flower display. Bromeliads, adapt to average home conditions. It looks very best with array of colors and textures, a perfect house plant to add pop-up colors in indoor areas. Philodendron, a popular house plant for its large, impressive foliage. Philodendrons, incredibly low-maintenance plants and amazing ornamental plants, various varieties comes in different foliage styles. And, the best part is it boosts the amount of humidity levels in indoors. Pothos, a well-known, easy-to-grow and low-maintenance houseplant. It can tolerate to various light conditions in indoors. Pothos have ability to remove multiple harmful toxins from the air. There are few varieties from Pothos family with various foliage and textures. A nice hanging basket is a best fit to add extra charm to indoors. Snake plant, another popular houseplant, common name is mother-in-law's tongue, best indoor plant as a decorative plant and air purifying plant. Snake plant acts as an air purifier by removing most airborne irritants in indoors, and top of that, it is one of the most oxygen-producing plants in the world. It is one of the must-have indoor plant for its decorative accent and textures, and for other health benefits. Syngonium white butterfly, common name, is arrowhead vine. A beautiful and attractive indoor plant that grows 3 foot to 6 feet tall with 1 to 2 feet spread. A nice ornamental indoor plant with attractive indoor plant bright-looking foliage for living rooms and bedrooms. It can tolerate various environments and conditions. Calathea, also commonly known as prayer plant, a charming indoor plant for its health benefits. Prayer plant plays a major role in purifying the air in indoors, and it provides fresh oxygen. Keep it in bedrooms for better sleeping conditions. Prayer plant can be placed anywhere in indoors, it is safe for pets and children. Peperomia, an easy care indoor plant. It is a petite and pretty beautiful plant for its uniquely patterned leaves. It draws immediate attention for its looks. Peperomia adapts to low light conditions and shows patterned leaves in shades of green, purple, and black to create a unique look. Peperomia family have various types of plants with different foliage styles and patterns. It is a best ornamental indoor plant. Dracaena, a best indoor plant for its ornamental value in indoors. It displays sword-shaped foliage with attractive colors. There are various popular indoor plants from Dracaena family such as Dracaena marginata, Dracaena ray of sunshine are few. It helps in removing pollutants from the air in indoors. I hope you likes the content of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to House Talks. Have a great day.